Imagine a factory producing 1,000 parts, but the customer only needs 500. What happens to the extra 500? They increase inventory, take up space, block money, and can even create more problems. This is exactly what lean manufacturing tries to avoid. And one powerful lean concept that helps is called just-in-time, or JIT. JIT means the right part in the right quantity at the right time. In simple words, produce only what is needed when it is needed. So how does JIT actually work? First, the customer places an order. That demand creates a pull signal, then production makes only what is needed. After production, the product goes through a quality check to make sure the right quality is maintained. Then it is delivered to the customer at the right time. And when new demand comes in, the cycle repeats. This is called a pull system because production is triggered by actual demand. Now, JIT focuses heavily on eliminating the 7 wastes. These are transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. JIT also has some important components. First, the pull system. Production is based on customer demand. Second, continuous flow. Materials and information should move smoothly. Third, Takt Time, the required pace of production based on customer demand. Fourth, level production, also known as Heijunka, which helps reduce variation in production. Then we have small lot sizes, which help reduce inventory. And finally, quick changeover, which reduces the setup time needed to switch between different products. So what are the benefits? JIT can reduce inventory and holding costs. It can improve cash flow because less money is tied up in stock. It can improve quality because problems can be identified earlier. It can shorten lead time and improve response to customer demand. It can increase productivity by creating smoother flow and less waste. And ultimately, it can improve customer satisfaction through on-time delivery and the right quality. Now let's compare it with a traditional push system. In a traditional system, production may be based on forecasts, which can create high inventory and longer lead times. But in a JIT pull system, production is based on real demand. That means lower inventory, less space, shorter lead time, and greater flexibility. But remember, JIT does not simply mean zero inventory. It means having only what is needed when it is needed, supported by reliable processes and suppliers. So if you're an engineering student, remember this simple formula: right part plus right quantity plus right time equals JIT. Deliver value, eliminate waste. And that's the basic idea behind just-in-time manufacturing. Follow Umar TechWorks for more lean manufacturing concepts.